Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use this program I wrote, which allows you to run on Newegg site and track some in-stock items. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to unzip this file. Inside this folder you can see I've already made a preset config file. I'm going to show you how it looks like. We're going to create a new one later. Just wanted you to see how it looks like. So I've made 4 sample presets for each region on Newegg site. You can scroll down and find yours. For this example, I'm going to use this one since I know it will return some in-stock items. So let's just run it. And we can see it found some in-stock items. So these buttons, link button will take you to the product page. The cart button will add it to your cart. So let's test these 2 buttons. So we can see it took us to the combo page. Now we'll click on the cart button. And I think I already had something inside. Let's remove it and test it again. Okay, you see it added it again. Now I'm going to show you how to create your own custom preset file. So I'm going to close the program. I'm going to delete this file. You can go back to it if you want. I have made a backup file. You just need to rename it to presets.cfg. So double click again. And now you can see we have no presets in the list. Okay, so next thing we're going to go to Newegg site and we're going to choose which item we want to track. I'm going to go with components and graphic cards. You can use any category you want. I'm just going to use this one for this video. In this page, I'm going to filter. Let's say I want the 3080 and also Newegg to be the seller. And let's say I want gigabyte. I'm going to hit the apply button. After you hit the apply button, it generated this URL. We're going to copy this URL and paste it in our program. You can see we have 9 items over here. Actually, this one is not a graphic card, it's a gaming box. We're going to exclude this one using the program. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go back to our program. And we're going to paste the URL over here. Let's give this preset a name. 3080. Excuse me. I'm going to save this preset. As you can see, it created a new preset file. Let's hit the run button. And we can see it found all the 9 items. So in order to exclude the gaming box, we're going to go back to the Newegg site and we're going to go to the product page. I'm going to copy this from the description. You can copy the whole description as well. I'm going to copy only these 2 words since I assume no other product under the graphic cards will contain gaming box. So let's go back to the program. Each preset will have its own notification section and the exclusion dictionary. So I'm going to hit exclusion dictionary. I'm going to paste it over here. Click the add button. Now, if I'll hit the run button, it will still find 9 items since the exclusion dictionary ignores the out of stock list. But if this gaming box will go in stock, so it will not put it on the in stock list. I'm going to show it. I'm going to show an example of it in another preset. So let's create another one. We're going to hit the clear fields. You can go back to your saved preset over here, just like that. Clear fields. So we're gonna go to Newegg site again. This time, let's go for combos. I'm gonna go to components again. Now choose processors, and over here in this search section, I'm gonna give it a combo. And as you can see, we got some Intel combos and Ryzen 3600, which I didn't want. So we're going to handle it in the program as well. So copy this URL, go back to your program. I'm going to paste this over here. Let's call this one Ryzen 5000 combos. Save. I'm going to run it just to see the results. So as you can see, we have the Intel 10900K over here. The 3600 is over here, but we're going to exclude them both so it won't appear when the items are in stock. So let's go to the exclusion dictionary, and let's add Intel, and also I will add Ryzen 5 3600. Go back, save this preset and hit the run button, and as you can see, the Intel combos disappeared. Ryzen are still over here, but as I said before, when they will go back in stock, they won't appear in your list. Okay, so that's about it about how to create your own preset and search files, items. Now I'm going to cover other features in this program, like this one, the loop feature. You can check this checkbox. I found the 15-second loop the most efficient one, since if you'll reduce, let's say to 10 seconds or 5 seconds, you might be banned from Newegg for 24 hours. They will ban your IP. You can bypass that by using VPN to switch your IPs, but I find this loop best way to avoid that. So now if I will run it, it will refresh every 15 seconds automatically, and if there will be a new item in stock, it will add it over here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the notifications. So first thing, I'm going to show you this sound, since this is the simple one.
Surprise!
This lovely fellow over here. You can choose whatever sound you want, but the default one is the one you heard. You can find it over here in the main folder. So just for you to see, I'm going to hit the run button.
Surprise!
And we heard it again. Okay. So I'm going to cover the email notification later, since this will require some authentication steps. So let's go with Telegram. So for Telegram notifications to work, you need to create a bot. I will show you how to do that. That's very simple. So let's create a bot. We're going to go to the Telegram app. You will want to search bot father. After you find them, let's send them the new bot command, and it asks us to give it a name. Let's say Newegg Tracker bot. Okay, it wants a username. Let's do the same thing. Newegg Tracker bot. Okay, so now we've created our new bot, and you can see we got a token for it. This is our bot token. We're going to copy that, going to go back to our program, and we're going to paste the bot token over here. So after we created our bot, we're going to create a new channel in Telegram. I'm going to go back to Telegram app. I'm going to create a new channel. Let's call it test channel. Create. I'm going to go with private channel. Save. Skip. So next thing we want to do is to add our bot to this channel as an administrator. So we're going to go to this menu, manage channel, administrators, add administrator, and we're going to search our bot, NeweggTracker bot. There it is. Okay, save, close, save. Now we can see the bot is over here and it got its administrator privilege. So now we will need to provide the program with the channel name. So on public channels, we will do it like that. We're gonna use the add character, and we're gonna provide the channel name. It's very easy. Private channels work different. For private channels, we're gonna do -100, and then we will need to provide the rest of the channel ID. I'm gonna show you how to get that. I'm gonna go back to Telegram, and we're gonna go to manage channels, channel type. I'm going to copy this link, and we're going to go to the web browser and paste the link in the URL section. I'm going to go with the new one, paste it over here. I'm going to cancel it since I want to open it in the web browser. So over here you have the channel ID. I'm going to copy that, and we're going to go back to our program and paste it over here. Okay, so next thing we're going to do, we can choose which keywords we want to send to this specific channel after it's found in the list of the in-stock items. I'm going to demonstrate. So let's just add this keyword, and I'm going to edit it in a second. Just want to see which. Okay, so here we get the Ryzen 5900. So I'm going to go back to the notification, Telegram, and I'm going to go over here and give it a name. You can choose any name you want, but probably be best to call it Ryzen 5900. So over here I'm going to write 5900X, since our description does not contain these two words one after the another. I'm going to show you. Home. See, it says AMD Ryzen 9, then 5900X. So I gave it the 5900X as the keyword. So if we'll hit run, it's supposed to send these two messages to our Telegram channel. Let's check. And as you can see, we have our two items over here. So this one, this is the item product page. This one is the add to cart link. So why do we actually want to do that? I'm going to show you a real use case of this feature. I'm going to use my backup presets. So change this file name. So we'll load this one. let's see this example. If I will run this one, we'll see that we get 129 results, and this contains all the Radeon 6000 series and GeForce 30 series. And the reason I'm getting all these items in one run is because I don't want to have multiple presets for different GPUs if I can grab them all in just one run and then filter them in the notification section. So what I'm going to do is something like this: RDX 3060. So the keyword will be RDX 3060. I'm going to skip the bot token and channels since we already done that. So F1 and 3070, add keyword. Oops, I accidentally added a blank one. And RDX 3080, and I think you got the point. So I'm going to do another one with RX. These are the Radeon cards, so 6700, and keyword RX 6900, add keyword. So what will happen here, we can set a different Telegram channel for each and one of these keywords. So we're gonna do the same thing for Discord. It actually works pretty similar. Let's go back to the program, and we're gonna go with Discord. Check the checkbox. Let's give it the same preset name and same keyword name, X. Okay, so webhook URL you can get from, you need to create a webhook URL to the channel you want to send. You need to be an administrator in a server in order to manage channels. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to open Discord, and we're going to create a new test server. Create my own. This one is test server. Create. Okay, so I'm going to create a new channel. Let's call it 5900X. Create channel. Now you're going to go to the edit channel and integrations, create webhook. Now we're going to copy the webhook URL. I'm going to go back to our program and paste it over here. And you can also tag roles. So let's try that as well. Let's go back to Discord. We're going to create a new role. Let's do that like that. Server settings, roles. I'm going to create a new one. Call it 5900X. Let's give it a red color. We need it to view channel. Okay, save changes. So in order to get the role ID, you can either right click on the role. Sorry, you don't need to right click. You're gonna go over here, and I don't have the copy ID since in this server I did not enable the developer mode. So we can do that like that. You're gonna go hit the backslash and I'm gonna provide the role name. Hit enter, and this is our role ID. So we're gonna copy that and go back to our program. put it over here. Add row. You can add multiple rows for each keyword. Now we're gonna add this keyword. Okay, so the message multiplier is basically to set a timer delay for the notifications. What it means is that our main loop is 15 seconds, and I assume we don't want to send this message every 15 seconds to Discord. So you can, let's say we want to do 80. So this will send a notification every 1200 seconds. But it's not the right place. I'm going to go back over here. And let's see, 80. Okay, home, save preset. Now I'm going to run this one, and it will need to send it to Discord as well. Let's check, yes, and we see these two messages over here. Now you can also see that in here it sent only 2 messages. I'm going to go back to Telegram since we didn't put any message multiplier over there, and you will see it will constantly send messages over here. Let's wait 15 seconds and it will send it again. That's about it in the notification feature. Let's see, I did not forget anything. Oh, we're going to cover the mail notification. Okay. So in order to use the mail notification, I will need to manually add your email to the application account I created in Google API. Since this is not a verified app, and I'm not going to verify it since it requires payment, and I'm not going to do that. So if you want to use that, you will need to email me or send me a message in Discord or whatever, and I will add your mail. So just to show you how it works, I'm going to put my mail over here, gmail.com, add mailing list. I'm just going to connect to my Gmail account in this computer. Okay, so I have logged into my Gmail account. This will send the in-stock notifications to my email account. First time we run with the mail notification checked, we're gonna want to give it a custom search URL that we know that it has in-stock items, since it will require an authentication flow. This authentication flow is a one-time thing. Once we've done that, it will work smoothly. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. I'm going to hit run, and it will prompt us with this page. I'm going to choose my Gmail account. I'm going to hit continue. It asks me a permission to send mail. I'm going to approve that. Approve. And that's it. It's supposed to have an email. Let's refresh. And you can see I've got a mail from myself with a table that contains the in-stock items. So that's about it. Oh, I forgot one thing. If you have any issues or any errors, you can oftenly check this folder, the preset log folder. Each preset will create its own log. If it's a general issue, it will create a log file in the main folder. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave my mail address and Discord nickname in the description. Feel free to reach me out for any issue or question, and good luck.